The Raycon Everyday Earbuds. Now, these were recently sent to me by Raycon, so for full transparency, this is a sponsored video, but all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. Clarified that with them as well. But I will definitely have to tell you guys that since I've been using these, right, because I want to get some time in to actually use this product to really see if that's something that I can recommend to you guys. And after using these, they call them the Everyday Earbuds because really these have become my everyday earbuds and I can't go a day without them. Previously, I had like some kind of cheapy stuff I found online. This worked, it got the job done, but something about like the audio quality just wasn't really quite there. And as a musician for myself, you know, I'm very much in tune when it comes to the audio quality. I definitely always noticed, I always thought there was something issue with like my phone streaming possibly not being that great of quality or something like that. Like, no, it was just the earbuds just not sounding good. It's just poor Bluetooth connectivity or sound quality, whatever it was with these, just didn't cut it. But once I got these Raycon earbuds, it really opened my mind. I was like, okay, that sounds way better, and totally like it opened my mind when it came to just audio quality for earbuds. So Raycon asked me to make a little video about these earbuds, so let's get right into it. So go over some of the stats on this thing right here. So they are noise canceling capable. They're able to drown out any kind of unwanted sounds or anything. That something I'm using a lot while I'm at work because, you know, people be talking. But like I said earlier, like the Raycon Everyday Earbuds here are great for like the gym, when you work or go to work, have phone calls, offering premium audio wherever you go, right? So it actually really does make a big difference. Like I've actually noticed that I can hear phone calls, conversations way better with these earbuds compared to some cheapy stuff I found online. And one of the coolest features about this that I've been using literally every single day about these earbuds is the multi-point connectivity that lets you pair to two devices at the same time. Now you cannot listen to both of them at the same time, so it's either one or the other, but basically how I've used this every single day has been connecting this through Bluetooth through my work computer and then connecting through Bluetooth on my phone. Therefore, just keeping the two things separate so then my boss can't creep on my search history. And since I'm using these earbuds pretty much throughout the day, especially while at work, you need a long battery life. And with a 32-hour battery life charge, it will help you get through the day no problem. But just in case, if you did have an issue with forgetting to charge your Raycon earbuds, the 10-minute charge will give you a nice hour-and-a-half long battery life. And just for some reason, if you're not happy with your Raycon earbuds, they do have a return policy of happiness within 30 days and a no questions asked return policy. So you can just pick up a pair of Raycon earbuds if you want to, so, and if you're not liking it, you can just return it, no problem. Now, since they are earbuds, right, they go like directly into your ear, right? So you want to make sure that this rubber part here fits you just right. Well, they do come with a set of different types of silicone covers for you guys, so you can check out and see which one would truly fit your ear the best, because obviously not everyone's ear is the same. So I've just been using the default ones that come with it, and it seems to do the job just fine for me. I might try out some of the other ones because it seems like it might kind of slip out of my ear a little bit, but hopefully that might ease some concerns of like, well, what if they don't fit my ears? Well, they got you covered with the different silicone tips. I will say my only critique I have of the Raycon earbuds for the most part is that they are very high on the treble side of things, on the high frequencies, right? That kind of hiss and kind of frizzy kind of sound you get at the high end frequencies. But really, I will find a way just to compensate for that by just kind of doing some minor equalization tweaking on my phone, especially when it comes to, say, using different music playing apps. Then it just kind of leveled things properly, where it kind of boosted the bass a little bit, eased a little bit on the treble side of things, and honestly sounded exactly what I'd want earbuds to sound like. And even though like the cheapy ones might be a little bit more balanced with their audio, the quality of it just doesn't match to where I need it to be, and the Raycons definitely meet that bar. If anything, actually kind of exceed it. Now, if you guys have any questions about these earbuds, or you want to talk about your experience you've had with Raycon, feel free to let me know in the comments. I do read all the comments and try to reply to most of them as well. And if you're interested in picking up a pair of Raycon Everyday Earbuds, I do have a link in the pinned comment and in the description of this video. Helps out the channel a lot, makes me look good. But yeah, these Raycon earbuds, like when they say every day, they really mean it. I can't go a day without using these, and I will never go back. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, like and subscribe is always appreciated. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.